Hello and good morning from here. I'm right now at the train station. My day has started in a very interesting way. My train got cancelled. I am traveling down to Berlin to teach data science at a boot camp. This was the same boot camp I attended, by the way. I think I talked about it previously in one of my old videos. So I'm planning to take you guys along, just show you typically what I do, how the class looks like. So I'm going to be teaching them machine learning fundamentals and trees. I already taught them data science fundamentals and it was really nice. So I'm going to take you guys along. But now my train is cancelled, so I'm going to try to get somewhere to sit, do some work, and then get ready to try to get my train. It seems like every time there's snow, Deutsche Bahn goes crazy. So that's what has happened today again. But anyways, I think it's going to be fun. Let's go. This is a completely different kind of video, but I thought maybe you guys would enjoy it and seeing into my life. So why not? Let's see how that goes, and I'll see you soon. Yeah, so after so many cancellations, finally got a train. I think the whole train journey today has been really crazy. Yeah, I should have gotten a train. First one was cancelled, second one was cancelled. Now I've got a train that takes me somewhere, and another one from there. Hopefully that one is also not cancelled. Yeah, there's a lot of snow today, as you can probably notice from there. There's a lot of snow and ice, and I guess that's the last thing that Deutsche Bahn wants to see. So yeah, fingers crossed. Do some more walk on the train. Generally I tend to sleep a little bit on the train, do some walk, and yeah, read a book or something like that, just to while away the time. And yeah, but today has been really stressful with the train cancellations, and the fact that I'm also not going straight to my destination also makes it a little bit weird. But yeah, we keep being positive.
Let's start what we have come into the room to do. 1, 2, 3.
So the difference between predicted and the actual is 434. It could be minus or it could be...
I would say on the average.
I think like it would be better if it were in percentage, I don't know, the average price, or like maybe it's not very clear,
Well, I wouldn't necessarily. I agree with your logic about percentage, because with percentage we can be. Whoa! So finally, after a long day, I'm done with my classes now, and yeah, it was a good class. We had machine learning fundamentals today. We will continue machine learning fundamentals also tomorrow. So we basically talked about the whole data science architecture, how you get data from wherever you have your data, and you can build a machine learning model on it. And then tomorrow we'll continue that, and then the last day that I'm here, we will talk about trees. Yeah, so that's it. I haven't had food since morning. I'm starving. The next step is to get to the hotel, check in, get dinner, and sleep. See you guys. Whew. Oh man. Oh, it's been an absolutely long day. Yeah, quite simple. For some reason, I have two beds. I don't know what I want to make with two beds. Or maybe I made a, yeah, I don't know. Anyway. And I have a bedroom over there. I have my wardrobe here. Just basic stuff. And I have a table. Just basic stuffs. And this is all I need. And I need eating in the room. As long as the room is warm, I can survive here. I just miss my people at home. I'm going to get dinner now and rest. Hello, YouTube. So yesterday night I just I got home and I got to my hotel rather, and I just got dinner and slept not too long after. Today is day 2 of the classes, and I'm just preparing my notes right now. So we're still going to continue machine learning fundamentals and really go into detail of each of those machine learning models, the assumptions, how they work, the principle behind them, and try to also code them. So for example, linear regression, logistic regression, SVMs, KNNs, and later on tomorrow we will talk about trees, random forest, gradient boosted trees, the different libraries you can use to actually code them. One thing I like about so I can show you my notes. I'm preparing my notes right now. So yeah, this is my notes, some parts, the assumptions and the likes, and yeah, we'll see. One thing I like about this bootcamp is just the fact that it's very really detailed and very hands-on. It was the same one I attended, and it's a pleasure to be invited after to come back to share the same knowledge and to teach. So really been a pleasure. Yeah, so plan now is pack up my bags, get breakfast, and then walk down to the place. Hopefully I can carry you guys along also today, and see you soon. Okay guys, that's breakfast done. Now walking to the class, which is just some few minutes away, and I'll carry you guys along. Let's go. One thing this period, it is really cold, like very cold. I was not expecting it to be this cold in Berlin. Yeah, but we move on. I'm going to recap 2 scenarios that we have. We said my manager wants me to set my accuracy at 0.95. So we will talk about this one. We just finished talking about regression metrics. Very important, guys. Don't mix them up, and sort of understand also. Hello YouTube. So today is the end of day 2. We did cover a lot of ground today, building ML models. I also showed the guys practical applications, and also even showed them on how all of this comes together also on the job market. Next, tomorrow we will talk about trees, algorithms, which if you build tabular data, that's sort of the most used one. And because we're also trying to prepare them so that they are able to deploy models on their own and stuff like that. So pretty interesting class so far. I think the response has been very positive, so that's good. I'm knackered, tired for the day. I need to go out to get something quickly, and then I go back to my room to sleep, get some dinner and then sleep. Hopefully I can carry you guys along the mall on this 3-day journey, and hopefully you've enjoyed it so far. Yeah, I think that's it. See you soon. Yeah, back here, day 2 done. It was a long walk and journey. I had to go run, get some stops. So now it's just to get dinner and sleep, recharge for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow. And the last day, I typically also let the students just ask me questions and really get a lot from me. That way I can really pass down a lot to them. So I tell them, ask me questions generally, because I can really answer a lot of questions, and some of the things I probably didn't think about saying or plan to say that might be useful for you from my experience in the last 6 years. You could just get it out of me. So we would spend a lot of time talking about trees and building them tomorrow, and then of course spending time. And I think this is also a very good foundation for deep learning and AI modules and the later AI modules, which these guys will later do. So yeah, I'm pretty happy for them. And it just shows that everything is going good. And there's a lot of possibilities also with data science, and I'm always happy to just share that and the things I've learned, and I'm learning myself. So that's good. See you guys soon. I'm just gonna eat now and sleep, and see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. I'm quite excited today because today is the last day. I'm preparing my notes now, just going through my notes to make sure that you're on top of the game. Today we are going to talk about trees, talk about random forest, gradient boosted trees, talk about how to build them, hyperparameter tuning, deploying them, errors, bias, some of the things we talked about again yesterday. We just refreshed them. I'm looking forward to today. Today I'm also returning back home, so going back to my family. That really makes me happy. Going downstairs now to get some lunch. Sorry, not lunch. Get breakfast, and then I'll start to go down to the class. So hopefully I can carry you guys a little bit more along today and show you around and how it feels like. I'm actually quite excited for this opportunity. I enjoy it every time I do this, just to share my thoughts and share my lessons and the things I've experienced in my career, and just pass it down to people. One of the things I try to do also is just to tell people about my mistakes, the mistakes I've made building algorithms like this, so that they cannot just make their own journey faster and skip them. And pretty excited, working on my notes right now. Let me show you guys. So that was just a summary of my notes, we have the full notes, and then I'm going to share that with them later. See you guys soon. Get ready, and see you soon. Yeah, people, that's breakfast done. I need to hurry now and run down for my class. I'm running late, so I carry you guys along as much as possible. See you soon.
The target in the previous example into numbers.
Yeah, because your machine only thinks in numbers. So normally
but I think it can work and everything still works.
That would be interesting. I would like to see how that works as well. So guys, we just finished all the classes, and now I need to run to go get I'm renting a car. I drive the car to the train station, and then I can get the train to my house. Really excited about this. And let's go get our car. So this right here is our car to get us to the Off-Banoff, because I need to hurry now. So I'm just going to rent it. So let's drive. So we are now at the Off-Banoff. Let us look for our train. Our train is at 6:30 minutes. And there goes my train back to Hamburg, back home. Now need to get a bus home. It was very good adventure, I would say. Very good time. Just sharing knowledge and good trip also back home. And, yeah, let's get the bus and get home. So officially now on my way home. It's pretty dark. It's like 10 p.m. now. Thank you so much, guys, for following me on this journey and just seeing how it feels like to do all of this. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it and you like more stuff like this, comment below. Normally I don't do so much vlogs, but yeah, maybe we start to do a little bit more like this when I do something outside of my day-to-day. It's pretty slippery, so I need to be very careful and watch my steps. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.